In the Atlanta area, but want to experience something completely different? Maybe another place in the world, or even another time. My Custom Dream Boat can help you realize your boating experience dream with a themed party. Imagine up to 70 of your friends, relatives, or coworkers sailing away in the theme of your choosing while playing poker, catching some rays, or eating in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, dual-deck houseboat with a full kitchen. Enjoy the partially shaded deck with tables and chairs, or the fully enclosed cabin with 30-guest capacity. My Custom Dream Boat works in 3 ways: private parties with custom theme rentals, monthly public-themed parties we host and sell tickets, semi-public customized party themes with public ticket sales. You keep the profit. My Custom Dream Boat. You provide the imagination. We take care of the rest.